Next, separate all the wires. Now we're going to strip the tips of the wires to expose about 1/8 of an inch of copper wire. You can use a wire stripper to do this. If you don't have a wire splitter, you can use a wire cutter. This can be done by gently snipping the outer wall of the wire covering, and then tearing it off to expose the copper wire. Carefully do this to not cut through the wire. Now twist the ends of all the wires. Next, grab a motor and hold it so that its adhesive strip faces left and the motor terminals face upwards. Insert a wire through the hole of the right motor terminal. Make sure the copper wire is making contact with the terminal. Once that's done, apply solder to bind the wire and the terminal. Repeat this process for the other motor terminal. Next, grab the other motor and hold it so that the adhesive strip faces right and the motor terminals face upwards. Do the same to this motor as we did with the last one.